So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your problem when you open your computer and on Windows 11 it's just stuck on black screen with your mouse. You can see your mouse cursor, but it is a complete pitch black screen and you can't do anything. So how to fix this? Let's get started. So what you need to do is just press Ctrl Shift and Escape and it will open Task Manager in front of you. Now just click on File and then click on Run New Task, and here just type explorer.exe. Once you do this, click OK and it will restart your explorer file, and hopefully desktop will appear again in front of you. So yes, this is how you can do it if your problem still occurs. So make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.